Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change language on SoundCloud. It's a pretty easy thing to do, so just follow our guide. Before moving towards the actual tutorial, please make sure that you're already subscribed to Solution Lab and hit that bell icon to get the latest updates upon the different tabs. Now let's get back to work. First of all, open up the SoundCloud mobile application and make sure that you're logged into your specific account. Once you open it up, as you can see, this interface will appear. At the bottom, you should be able to find library. Tap on the library and this interface will appear. From here, if we go to the settings at the top right where the gear icon is, and if we go to account, you can see that there is no option of changing your language from here. But what you can do is, if we go to the basic settings, you can see that there is no option like that. If we go to notification, there is no option not to change the language from here too. Go back and click on your profile. Once you click on your profile, this interface will appear. From here, click on the pencil and go to that edit area of your profile. Once you're here, go to the country and the city and select the specific country from which you are, and it will automatically be adjusted, like your language would be automatically be transferred on SoundCloud. Like if you want to go for Dutch, you just have to go to the Germany in the country, and that should definitely work. One more thing you can do is go to the mobile settings and change the language from there, and it will be changed here as well. I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care, see you next time.